Richiboboljov Productions here, and today I'll be talking a little bit about my car. So, what should I start with? Already got the Honda, got a cold air engine intake. I also got a blow-off valve, and a couple cosmetic stuff like the spoiler in the back and whatnot. The reason why I haven't done my wheels yet, and I'm talking about my wheels because someone has already questioned it, is because I prefer to do mods over. But yeah, this car is definitely fun to drive. It's not too, it doesn't create too much drone, so you can definitely drive around in it. Especially if you can hear me now while I'm driving. I mean, what could be worse? Gosh, this car feels so much better with a Honda. Too bad I have CVT. I can't really tune it to like plus 9 PSI and, you know, go all out on a different turbo and all that. But that's gonna come in the near future with a Type R that I might get. Okay, it's actually 35 here. I should probably slow down. In Kansas, there ain't too much idiots driving around, so I don't have to worry about idiots driving around, unlike California or Missouri. So that's something positive. That's a red light. Let's make sure we stop because there was a camera pointed right at me, and it's 20 miles an hour here. And this construction is getting on my nerves now. Every single day. And there's usually a cop right there too. It's really annoying. Oh, there are males here. And I'm running so late to school right now. Whoops. Oh man, life just gets to you sometimes. Why is there a ladder onto the roof right there? Could have done it from the back or something. Sheesh, weirdos. Oh, that was a cop. Well, hello there, undercover cop. Okay, it's 30 miles an hour here, and it's a school zone. So let's not risk anything and just go 30 miles an hour. So yeah, got this little app going, the Honda app. I think it's working out pretty well. I can see if my car is running rich or lean, and it's doing both right now because it's messing up. I will definitely get my car retuned and everything like that. Come on, dude, it's 45 miles an hour here and you're going 35. See what I mean? Let me speed up here now. There you go. And that's a fair miles an hour. Jesus, stop hitting 15. Air to fuel ratio. This car is nuts. But it's been driving so well for the past 61,000 miles that I've put on it. I definitely appreciate this car. I definitely do. For its reliability and how much it's been put through. Keep it in sport mode just because I like to hear the sound of the exhaust. I really enjoy it. Sometimes I put it back in drive. There you go. It's not too loud. It's not, you know, you can't even barely hear the exhaust, to be honest. It's just there. It kind of roams a little, and I think it's actually perfect in my opinion. So yeah. Oh look, it's a classic car. That's fun. Ooh. and it sounds good as well.